Hello children, today we will do maths. Okay, the continuation of lesson 2 on page number 35. Mental maths. How many jelly beans are left? There are 689 jelly beans. I take away 4 jelly beans. The first boy, what does he say? He says there are 689 jelly beans. I take away 4 jelly beans from 689 beans. The second one says there are 689 jelly beans and I take away 40 jelly beans. Okay children, now what does he says? From 689 jelly beans he takes away 40 jelly beans. The third girl, she says there are 689 jelly beans. I take away 400 jelly beans. Okay, from 689 she takes away 400 jelly beans. Now we have to see how many are left. From 689, this first boy, he takes away 4 jelly beans. So how many left? So what are we going to do? We are going to subtract. Okay, now you see the second boy, there are 689 jelly beans, and from 689 this boy took away 40 jelly beans. So what are we going to do? We are going to subtract, and we will let know how many jelly beans left by subtracting 689 minus 40. By subtracting 40 from 689. And the third one, this third girl, what she says, there are 689 jelly beans and she takes away 400 jelly beans. So we are going to, what are we going to do? We are going to subtract 400 from 689 and we are going to get the answer. Okay children, let's subtract mentally. Now we are going to do subtraction mentally. A, that is this boy who has taken away 4 jelly beans. 689 minus 4 is equal to 685. That means 689. Okay, now we are going to subtract from 689. We are going to subtract 4. Okay, and now we are going to split this hundreds and tens. Okay, so how are we going to do this? 680, we are going to put it here, and the ones which is there, we are going to separate it. We are going to split it aside. Okay, because we are going to deal with the ones. Okay, because here only 4 beans are there, so we are going, it is only on the ones place, so we are going to split the ones first. See the ones, 9 and 4. Here you see there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 600 bars. Okay, 100 bar, 200 bar, 300 bar, 400 bar, 500 bar, 600 bars. Okay, now here there are how many tens? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 tens means 80. And here how many ones? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, here there are 9 ones. Now we shall go. Here you see 9 minus 4. We are going to do 9 minus 4. How much did we get? 5. Okay, now this 5 we are going to add it with what? We are going to put it here. We are going to add with 680. So 680 plus 5. How much did we get? 685. Here you see 689 minus 4. 4 is in the ones place. That means below 9. And 9 minus 4 is 5. And 8 minus 0 is 8. 6 minus 0 is 6. So you get the answer. Okay. 689 minus 4 is equal to 685. See here, there are 685 jelly beans left. Now we will go to the B section, that is the second boy. The second boy, how many did he take away? He took away 40 jelly beans from 689. So here we see 689 minus 40. 40 means it is in the tens place. Okay, so we are going to split the hundreds and we will just keep this 89 as it is. We are going to split 600 and then 89, because here we have to subtract with the tens. Okay, so now we are going to do it here. You see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 hundreds. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, here there are 8, and here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, 9. There are 9 ones over here. Now what are we going to do is 89 minus 40 we are going to do here. Here you see 89 minus 40. The answer will be 49. How? 9 minus 0 is equal to 9. 9 minus 0. 0 has no value. So 9 minus nothing. 9 minus nothing means 0. So 9 minus 0 will be 9 only. 9 itself. 8 minus 4. Here you see in the 80s place there are 8 tens, right? So you cut 4. Yeah, you minus 4. 1 2 3 4. How many remain? 1 2 3 4. So you see here the answer is 4. In the same way when we did here, you see there were 9s. We had to do subtraction with the ones. Here you see there were 9 ones and we had to subtract 4. So we got the answer 5. Once we cut 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4 5. So we got the answer 5. In the same way we are going to subtract from the tens. Okay, so when we subtract from the tens, 8, from 8 you subtract 4, you get the answer 4. You see 1 2 3 4, you cut from 8. How many you got? 1 2 3 4. The answer 4. You see how many left? 4. So you get the answer 4. Okay children, so 89 minus 40 is equal to 49. Now this 49 you add it with, you put it here, you add it with what? Add it with 600. So we add this 600 with 49. So we get the answer 649. You see 9 minus 0 is equal to 9. 4 minus 0 is equal to 4. And 6 plus 0 plus 9 is equal to 9, and 0 plus 4 is equal to 4. 6 plus 0 is equal to 6. Okay, did you get it? See, even here 5 plus 0 is equal to 5. 8 plus 0 is equal to 8, and 6 plus 0 is equal to 6. Yeah, so in the same way we did it over here. It's clearly written 600 plus 49. So 600 plus 49 is equal to 649. So there are 649 jelly beans left. Okay, this is the mental maths that we are doing now. So now we shall go with the third one. The third girl, what she says, there are 689 jelly beans and she takes away 400 jelly beans, okay, from 689. So we are going to subtract this third one as C. So now we are going to subtract with the hundreds. So 689 minus 400, okay, you get the answer is 289. Now how do we do it mentally? So 600, keep it aside, you split it, and 89 you split it, okay. So now here you see 1 2 3 4 5 6. So there are 600 bars and you cut them 1 2 3 4, okay. So you get 2, yeah, okay. Now you see 1 2 3 4, there are how many? 8, no? So 8, 80, and here there are 9, okay, 9 ones, 8 tens, 80. So now we are going to do 600 minus 400. 600 minus 400 is equal to 200, and this 200 we put it here, and we take this 89 and add it over here. The 200 plus 89 is equal to 289. The answer is in this way. You see, there are 289 jelly beans left. Okay children, I hope you have understood.